Hello there, muscle car fans. Today we're going to show you this amazing triple black Dodge Charger RT from the year 1968. The car was built from scratch, so everything you see here is either brand new, rebuilt or restored, and it's been completely transformed into a Pro Touring Special. The engine is a 500 cubic inch stroker engine built by Pedal to the Metal. It's got around 575 horsepower. And it's got a lot of special options, as you can see on the video, but you can also see all the details of the engines and the specifications online. The car is also equipped with the Mopar Torque Flight 77 transmission, updated with the Gear Vendor overdrive, which gives you a 6-speed transmission that you can select manually, so it's a semi-automatic transmission without a clutch. The rear end of the car is a Dana 60 rear end, so it's the most heaviest and best rear axle you can get on a Mopar, with all new gears, new axles, new bearings, and of course has limited slip differential. The car is also equipped with SSBC 13-inch 4-wheel disc brakes front to back, and it also is equipped with a Hydratec power brake booster, so it's hydraulically operated. Everything on this car otherwise, as you can see, is in amazing condition. The interior is also completely customized. It's got black leather bucket seats, it's got a handmade console with shifter, custom made specially designed dashboard with special gouges. The car also has power windows. It's got air conditioning. It's got a modern stereo system, which you can hook up to your Bluetooth or USB. Good stereo system. It's got a car alarm, and everything you see on this car is in, well, just brand new amazing condition. No cost was spared to build this car. More than 175,000 euros were invested in the car and in the build alone, and it's now for sale for a very interesting price. The paint on the car is also amazing. It's got a great deep piano black finish, was hand polished, and as you can see, the rear tail stripe, which is painted hemi orange, also looks stunning on this car. The wheels on the car are also custom made, so there's only one set of this type of wheels in the world, with very nice wide rear tires, with a fully adjustable suspension system. In the front you have rack and pinion power steering, so all combined this is not only a one hot looking Dodge Charger, but it also drives and steers amazingly.